Francis Fun's gift. It's grown huge so quickly. Your music! Plants react to sound. Your music must be so awesome. The reaction was enormous. Your music made it grow. I think I have a pollution solution. Nova, are you ready to play a concert?
Always.
You're on in 5. Not literally, we won't even have landed the ship by then. That's impractical, but soon.
Hello, Seedling World. This is really gonna rock your roots.
I've always been the kind of girl to find a solution, but things don't always go to plan, 'cause I'm only human. We're all growing every single day. You should know that you can make mistakes. You just got to look on the bright side. The sky won't always be gray. Won't you come alive?
I know Nova's music is good, but...
There! It's happening!
Rise and shine. Forget your worries for tonight. So wave your hands up high, up to the sky. Let the music take control. So won't you come alive? Just feel the sunlight in your eyes.
It worked! They're growing! Our little seedlings are growing up so fast!
This is excellent! Nova's music will grow them all to full size overnight!
And what about the sunlight? The sky is still blotted out with all the rubbish Nova dumped into the atmosphere.
I've got my top men on the job.
You can make mistakes, you just got to look on the bright side. The sky won't always be gray. Won't you come alive? Just feel the sunlight in your eyes. You gotta rise and shine.
And then I said to her, "You gotta keep going, kid. You're the strongest person I've ever known."
Yeah, but did you ask her for a new autograph?
I don't need an autograph to prove anything. Me and Nova are friends. I can ask her for a selfie anytime I like.
It looks like we've made a hole big enough for the sun to...
So won't you come alive? Just feel the sunlight in your eyes. You gotta rise and shine.
You're a smart sapling, McLaren. Sorry about the plant going massive. Rare breed. Make spectacular gifts. You know what it's like when you're a bit of a loner and you want to impress your new friends.
Your eyes.
You're being very brave, Nova.
I know. I really am. I've had gurgle for 2 days. It's basically a lifetime.
Really sorry you're gonna miss your party, Captain.
It is sad I won't see Admiral Londo and get another approving pat on the shoulder. This is the right thing to do. Okay, keep in mind the gravity on Blurgle is very heavy.
We know.
Very heavy.
I told you.
I'm not prepped for this. Ah, my back.
Go on then, my boy. Go be home. Go, Gurgle. You'll be happy here. You'll...
Goodbye, Nova. I shall never forget your kindness.
You can speak?
Duh. Yes, I can speak.
Why haven't you said anything until now?
It is quite hard to interrupt you, Nova Jones. Oh, McLaren,
Yes, Gurgle?
I'm sorry if I was grumpy with you. I just really disapprove of Mercury's shopping. Their website tricks people into clicking things they don't want. But now I must express my gratitude. Nova, you were like a mother to me. You bathed me, fed me, cared for me.
I literally did the same things.
Yeah, but she's Nova Jones. She'd never usually do that stuff. I won't forget you, Nova. Goodbye.
I'm just so sad.
We'll have a go at Sid. Yeah, then we'll get really angry. Maybe smash up a few things. I'll probably get in a fight. No, lose the fight. Sound good? All right, let's do this. No.
Sid tried so hard. Doesn't matter that he lost. Well, did I just say that?
I think so.
Sid.
Yeah, I am too awesome.
Touching scenes there as we wait for Johnny Keys to be pronounced the official Steeper Deeper Scuffle Champ.
I'm okay. Just a bit disappointed. But look, shiny lino. Do you think I could take a bit? As a souvenir?
Of course. Funny. That's a 10 ball. I didn't see Sid score a 10.
He didn't.
What?
Sid, you clanged that scuffle. But it's not been counted. Everyone!
Referee!
Right, you little.
They say sticks and stones may break my bones, but words could never hurt me. Didn't you know I'm unbreakable? You're sitting there like a wannabe, behind the keyboard, acting hard, trying to pretend that you're so large, when really you got nothing better to do. I really don't want to hear you talk at all. It's outrageous, irresponsible. Did your mama not teach you respect at all? Outrageous, it's terrible. No wonder you're stunning the strings so small. You're jealous, understandable, but what you're saying is laughable. Yeah, I'm so in my bubble. Your opinion don't really matter at all. Sit home alone, typing your lies, wasting your time trying to hurt me. Lie on the phone, don't be surprised when I don't reply. I can see you trying to troll me. I feel sorry for you, 'cause it won't get through. I just ignore it. I know that you're trying to hurt me. I feel sorry for you. This is jealousy. I just ignore you. Going down, down, no messing around. You're going down, down, 'cause I wear the crown. Yeah, I can see you trying to troll me. I feel sorry for you, 'cause it won't get through. I just ignore it. Hey.
Am I getting smaller, or is that troll getting bigger?
I do not put my sister in danger because I can't fight my own internet battles.
Oh, it is getting bigger. That's Bobbins.
Stop it, I've got 9 more verses. Wait, that troll is getting bigger.
Spiggle's got nothing.
I'm not a lobster in a human costume. That's obvious, isn't it?
McLaren! Give that back!
Sure. Oh, sorry. Thought you said throw it to the captain of the North.
No.
Ha ha ha, it's funny because that's exactly what you did to me before.
This is not the time! Give it back!
Now, I'm gonna pass you Sid. Oh, no, I'm not.
You have to commit.
Got it. Come here, Sid.
Look, son.
No! Stop! You big sillies.
Hey, it shrunk. The troll.
No, it's growing, Sid. That's the whole point. No, it is getting smaller. No, it's growing again.
Now that we're all looking at it, now that we're all giving it attention.
It feeds on attention.
No, I don't.
It went after Nova because it wanted her attention, but that didn't work because Nova didn't care.
And you all said being massively self-centered was a bad thing.
So it went after me, and I did give it attention. I kept replying to it.
So, if we just ignore it...
It should shrink right down.
Okay, everyone, turn your backs. Ignore the troll.
Look at me! Look at me!
Which is actually quite hard when it's a massive troll and it's right there.
Look, I ignore stuff all the time. It's easy. Just think about your best memory.
No! No!
Like the time I won 199 whammies in one night.
Like the time I saved Nova from the jungle. Backfish's veins back!
I'm gonna write something mean! The time I fell asleep in the sofa shop all night long. So many footrests.
Stop it! The 8,000-page spreadsheet I made? The self-sorting desk tidier I designed? No. Stop it! Wait! Stop it! Nova's entire career, because I organised it all brilliantly. Thanks, sis. Can anyone hear anything? It worked!
Yes, I knew it was a wrap.
Ain't the big man anymore, are you?
Please don't squash me!
Tin?
What? I stepped on its computer. Now it won't type anything. I'll just put this outside.
How Sage that way?